Hi guys, in today's lesson, we are going to be solving the second question we are given as take home in our previous lesson on equations on the modular arithmetic. We are given four major questions, and in our previous class, we solved the very first question. And in today's class, we're going to be solving the second question extensively. If you're just seeing this very question for the first time, I want to give it a try. I advise you to pause this very video and give it a try. So let's dive right into it. Now, question 2, 7x equals to 3 modulo 6. 5x plus 6 equals to 1 modulo 5, and 8x minus 3 equals to 10 modulo 11. Now, this very question is quite different from the previous set of questions we solved, but it's not a big deal actually. The previous set of questions we solved or we worked on, equal or the same modulo. So this very question is very simple. This is a simultaneous equation, but as you can see, we have just only one unknown, x, and that's what we are asked to find. We are asked to find x. So what are we going to do? It's very simple. Now, we're going to use each of this modulo given to us. We're going to use each of them to create a table. We're going to do that. I could just choose to use one of them to create a table. So I will solve for the value of x. Whatever I get, I will substitute it into the other two equations. So when I substitute it, I will try to see if I'm going to get this set of results, 1 modulo 5 and 10 modulo 11. So let's start with modulo 6. I'm going to create a multiplication table. I'll get the modulus of 6. So 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. I could also decide to use this very 5, that modulo 5, to get to create a table. I could also get the modulo of 5. And also I could also get the modulo of 11. Well, let's start with 6. So we're going to start with this. This is 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. That was 7x equals to 3. Now, when the Bible says by 7, s will give us 3 over 7. I don't think that is a result. So let's try 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 7 and 9 is 1 remainder 2 over 7. Let's try to see if you're going to get a whole number result. Let's say 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 7 and 15 is 3 remainder 1 over 4. Let's say 18. 18 plus 3 will give us 21. So now the 7x equals to 21. The Bible signs with the coefficient of x. X is 3. So if s is 3, let's see if s is really 3, because we're going to substitute this s equal to 3 into these two other equations for us to confirm if s is 3. Don't forget, whatever the value of x is must be applicable across board. So if s is 3, so that will be 7 times 3, 21. 6 and 21 will give us 3, which is 18, remember 3. So that's fine. Let's substitute s equal to 3 into the second one. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. 5 in 21 will give us 4, remainder 1. That is beautiful. That worked out there. Let's substitute s equal to 3 in equation 3. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 minus 3 is 21. 11 and 21 will give us 1, which is 11, remainder 10. So truly, s is 3. That is the value of x. As simple as that. You can also use 5. You could use 11. If you use 11, you're going to get the same result. If I say 11, let's say 11 times 0, 0. 11 times 1, 11. 11 times 2, 22. And let's try out one of this. So if you say 11 times 0 is 0, 11, 0 plus 10 is 10. 8x minus 3 equals to 10. We send this to the other side. That will give us, 13. 8 divided 13 is 1 remainder 5. That is not it. Let's try out this 11. 11 plus this will give us 21. We'll send 3 to the other side. That will be 8x minus 3 equals to 21. We'll send this 8x equals to 21 plus 3. 8x equals to 24. Divide both sides with 8. S is 3. Still the same result. If we fix the x in here, we're going to get this result and this very result. As you can see, it's very, very simple. So I said it in our previous lesson that even when we are given different modulo arithmetic to work with, it's still very solvable. Very, very solvable. We just have to be creative, especially when it comes to simultaneous equation we want or know. So we've come to the end of this very lesson. I'm very sure that many people got this very question right. Many people got it right. So again, one or two things from today's lesson. I would love you to follow me on Facebook at Revelation Hub and subscribe to this very channel at Eddie Mosaic and share the lesson also with others. See you in the next lesson. Thanks and bye for now.